Hi. I hear a lot of folks having trouble with getting their Estes motors to ignite, and I'm convinced that it's a problem with not inserting the igniters correctly, or should I say the starters, because when you do it right, they really do work almost all the time. So I'm just going to do a quick demo here, and hopefully that'll maybe help somebody. So here we have an Estes A83 motor, helpfully kept vertical by my clamp here because I only have one hand to work with while I'm holding the camera. Here I have the plugs, and if you look on the little doodad at the end, it shows which kind of motors it's for. So these yellow ones are for A8s and B4s. Always make sure you've got the right plug. So I have already removed one and removed a little extra bit of plastic off the tip. Finally, the Estes starter. This is the now old Estes solar starter. It has no pyrogen. It's just basically nichrome wire with a clear neutral coating on it. And what I have done here is something that really is helpful, is curl the leads up over the paper and then in a little loop, and I'll show at the end how that's really helpful for clipping on the igniter clips. Okay, so here we go. This is super duper simple. Take the igniter, put it into the motor. The tip is now resting on the propellant. I bend it over. The tip is still resting on the propellant. I take the plug, try not to drop it. Ready to go. The starter is touching the propellant, and this will fire right now. So I also want to show now what I did. I kind of put this in upside down, so I'll just flip it over with those curled over wires. Okay, now when you get to the pad, even if you've got the slippery clips, these are the clips of an Estes PS2 controller. You just clip onto the paper, you get nice contact. Get nice contact with the leads. The clips have something to grip onto, and that's it. In this particular case, I have them folded up just so you can see it, but normally at the pad you bend them down so the clips are not right in the exhaust path of the motor. So just like that, that's it. You put them in like that, you have enough battery juice, these should work darn near 100% of the time. Hope this helps somebody. Bye.